Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor built into the display works when you put on your display the tempered glass. As you can see, I have here the tempered glass, and we are going to make few tries, and let's see how sensitive is that sensor with this screen protection. Let's make a few tries. As you can see right now, we don't have any problem. Our smartphone easily recognizes fingerprint. I'm going to make it a little bit faster. I'm going to turn on the lock screen instead of waiting for the blank screen when the animation icon shows on the screen. So it will be a little bit faster. And as you can see, the sensor works perfect. Recognize my fingerprint in a very try, and it works fast. So as you can see, that's how it looks. You don't have to be afraid for applying this kind of the protection on your smartphone, because the sensor will work really great. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.